We're recording.
Alright guys, welcome to Mark Fenner's channel, and so to let you know, I'm Sam from Samuel's Flip, or Samuel's brother. Those two channels, I'm in it. So as you know, we have Beans right over there. Let's get him on camera. Beans. Alright, now we know that Beans is here. I mean, this is a 2-mile walk, 1 hour and 45 minutes, or whatever. I think it's like an hour. So yeah.
Mind sticking that in your pocket for me? Thank you.
Alright. God, these racks are really crunchy around here. Cool. Devil's Punch Bowl down there. But let's take a view. Check this out. Sorry to interrupt you, but yeah, there's slides surrounding around me. Yeah. Guys, if you want to see my face review, show the proof I'm Samuel's Flip, then watch until the end of the video. Or if you already saw my face review in a short, then yeah. There you go. That's your answer. You should just edit it so you can just skip what you're doing, right?
Yep, I can leave that out.
And then skip what I said, and skip the other part too. What the other thing I said too. So that's gonna be a challenge of you. So. Face review. 3, 2, 1. See? Dad, the GoPro's hot. We have 12% of the GoPro. Told you. I'm Samuel Slip.